Every day, more and more businesses fall victim to hacking. 2020 was the busiest year on record for cyber attacks against UK firms, with hacking attempts increasing by 20%. Every UK business faced almost 700,000 individual attempts to breach their systems. This equates to one attempted attack every 46 seconds. While every business is vulnerable to cybercrime, there are ways to lower the risks and better protect your business. We're committed to protecting the security of our customers' data. This is demonstrated by our highly secure processes which have been certified by the internationally recognised information security standard ISO 27001. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is a great way to reduce the risk of your online accounts being breached by adding an extra layer of security. MFA, also called 2FA or two-factor authentication, is a security feature in myhrtoolkit that adds a strong layer of protection to your account. To access your account, you need to prove that you are who you say you are. We call this authentication. As well as asking for your username and password, with MFA enabled, users are required to prove their identity by adding an extra code generated by a device that only they have access to, for example, their mobile phone. This authentication method can be summed up as a combination of something you know, your password, and something you have, such as your mobile phone. By using these two authentication methods, or factors, you're adding an extra layer of security to your account. To breach your account, someone would need to know your password and have access to your mobile phone. Accessing your myhrtoolkit account with MFA enabled is easy. Simply log in with your username and password as you would normally, and then enter the one-time code from your authentication device at the prompt. And that's it, you're in.